Henry Jones. A'r gig gornel yn ddofn i'r bala nôl I fewn gan Venables o'r cyfle yn un clir I Nathan Peat. Dyma Rhys Kavanagh. Kavanagh mae o'n gyflym. Kavanagh fewn I cwr cosfyn y gylfyn yn Rhys Kavanagh gafodd o'i lorio naddo nôl y dyfarnwr. O mi oedd Mr John Jones o fewn troedfeddi i'r digwyddiad. Henry Jones I gymryd y gicrydd i'r bala I chwipio at y postyn gosa! Ac ar draws wyneb y gol a Will Evans mor agos at I mi oedd Johnny Spittle yna hefyd. Da ni mewn I 6 munud yr ail hanner. Henry Jones gwiro hon am allan Spittle I fewn amdani ar peniad ar y postyn gosa gan Nathan Peat. Will Evans, Venables at Henry Jones. Jones I fewn i'r canol, mae gyfer ni Mendes, Losana Mendes, chwipo ergyd! Dim gobaith I Mike Lewis ar dathliad gystal ar gol gan Losana Mendes. Henry Jones yn creu ar ergyd gan Losana Mendes I dor rhwyd. Y bala un y bari dim. Davies yn I gosod ti Will Evans. Evans yr ergyd o bell o mi oedd angen yr arbediad gan Mike Lewis. Taran o ergyd gan Will Evans, a mi oedd I ar y targed, a mi oedd angen yr arbediad I ildio'r gig gornel.
Yeah, I thought we absolutely dominated the game. I can't remember them having a clear-cut chance. Rambo's sort of like taken an easy shot towards the end, and he's not come for a cross. And totally controlled the game. Should have been better in the final third with that pass, and it would have made it a more comfortable day. But when you're only 1-0 up, you know, they chucked everything at us, but we dealt with everything. Should have been better on the break, and like I say, totally bossed the game.
First half, I thought, you know, we were combative, honest, hard-working. Thought we were really, you know, very, very much an active part of the game. Bala probably had the better chances, that's fair to say. But I wouldn't say, you know, a load compared to their normal dominant self here. Second half, it's strange. You know, I thought we started well. I think we were probably the better team in the second half, but the fine margin suggests that we switch off from a throw-in. We failed to deal with, you know, a miss-hit cross, and that's cost us today.